am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're honestly just going to get right into it. I have a lot of cleaning motivation for you guys. Today we're going to do what we can and make sure that we have a productive cleaning day, because I know that as a mom of 5, that's what I want to have every day, or at least strive for it. Whether it be a little or a lot, you just want to be able to say that you were able to get something done, feel good about the progress you've made, and at least enjoy what you've cleaned up for about an hour or so. Actually, now that my kids are back in school, it gets to stay clean just a little longer, but I understand that there's days as well that it will not always go the way that you want. And that's okay. You just keep moving forward and remember that tomorrow is another day for you to start over. However, I want you moms to know something. I want you to know that you need to give yourself some grace for the things that you were able to do throughout the day. Don't be hard on yourself. You're not alone, and it happens to all of us. Remember that you're doing the best that you can, and what you don't finish today, you can always pick up where you left off and start fresh tomorrow. And again, whether it's a little or a lot, you're very much appreciated at what you do. I really need to start putting things away as soon as I receive it, which explains why I have a lot of things lying around. But if it's not one thing, it's another. I'm pretty sure a lot of you stay-at-home moms are like me and can definitely relate. Throughout my day, I'm constantly busy, even with my kids being back in school now. If I'm not creating a video, photo for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, I'm taking care of my farm, working on a home project, attending appointments, or I was able to get out of the house for 30 minutes to an hour to take care of more chores for more ideas that I've been whipping up at home. Then when I'm back in the house, I'm lucky to get a 5 to 10 minute break, and if I do, it ends up attending to all of this stuff lying around on the floor. You want to hear something funny though? Yesterday I was able to get an hour nap in. Yes, I took a nap, and it was the best 1 hour nap that I could ever ask for. And then Christopher got home from high school and my work had to start over again. Okay, now that everything is picked up and put away in this room, we can finish up with vacuuming, and then I'll be heading into my master bedroom. Which reminds me, y'all see the tufted bench here in this room? It has finally found its new home. We sold it. So for those who had watched my video a couple of weeks ago, know that I had made a last-minute decision to take out the bench from in front of our bed because I wanted a different look, which has also made a big difference for Chris and I. It's given us more room, and it has made it easier for me to make our bed, which I absolutely love because that bed is so heavy to pick up when you're putting the covers on it. I did want to take a moment and just say thank you to you guys. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube family, and thank you for supporting me on my channel. I really do appreciate all of the love, the comments, and the likes that you guys leave for me on a weekly basis. I look forward to them every single week. Not only does it make my day, but it lets me know that you're here, I'm not alone, and it has truly helped me with my anxiety and depression. You guys will never know how much you've done or all that you've done for me. And with that, all I can say is thank you for sticking by my side. For those who are new, I appreciate you as well, and I'd hope you'd stick around, subscribe, and look forward to more weekly content that I have in store for you. So if you love all of this cleaning motivation, homemaking, motherhood, organization, and everything else that I do while being a stay-at-home mom, or have relatable content like mine, then I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family as well. Then once you've subscribed, be sure to head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give me a follow over there as well. We share daily IG stories of our farm life and our lifestyle and all that I do while being a stay-at-home mom. Again, thank you for being here, you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and get all of this laundry put away because I think it's been in this basket for about 2 days now. I honestly always have leftover laundry to put away. Are you guys the same way? I wash it, I dry it, fold it, and that's it. I'll get it to the room and then walk away. I guess I feel that since I've given it all of my energy already, that I need to step away, take a break from it, and then come back to it later. Like in that moment, it's time for a refresh. The way that I'm cleaning today, though, is that I am focusing on areas that need to be wiped down, piles that need to be cleared up, reorganized, and pick up things where they're not supposed to be laying around. However, usually before I start cleaning, I will always plan out what I have to do. That way, when I start to record, it's an easy flow and I can work through everything quickly instead of running around like a chicken with its head cut off, wondering what to do next, you know? Yeah, I cannot hit the record button and just dive right in. I have to plan it out for almost every video, but depending on the video, I can just get right into it and not worry about what I'm doing. Are you ladies the same way? Do you dive right in when you're recording your YouTube videos, or do you plan out your videos and write everything down before you start recording?
Time stops when I'm falling for you. Stop spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world stops spinning, is your head spinning? Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me?
time to focus on this dining room because it's been a little out of order with all the work we've been doing, which y'all get to see a little sneak peek of our pantry shelf pieces that I'm moving. We brought them in to dry overnight after putting on the last few finishing coats to seal the wood. So now that they're dry, I'm moving them into the food pantry. That way Chris will know that he can install them onto the shelf. I am happy to tell you though that we've completed 3 pantry shelves and only have 1 more to work on. Then after the shelf is completed, we have a little bit of caulking, painting, touch-ups to do, and trim to install. Then we're completely done with the food pantry, you guys. We'll finally be done with it. Then I can work on the video footage that I recorded over a year ago, then add in what I recorded 6 months ago, and then add the current one that I'll be filming this month with finishing it. So yeah, not sure how I'm going to put all of this together, but I'm sure y'all will love it no matter how old it is. All that matters is that you get to see the before and after. That's what I'm truly excited about, and for this video to be less than 45 minutes for y'all to watch. I would have to say that the new hangout area for our family is at the dining room table when the kids get home from school. Then on the weekends we'll be here on and off throughout the day, and then at some point we'll move to the couch. However, my kids will be up here playing games, sit up here to hang out with their friends, and sometimes Chris and I will be out here doing work to have a change in scenery. I'll be on my laptop working on my YouTube videos, which is why you can see half of the table is loaded with my material. Then Chris will be doing some research on his phone, reading through his work emails, and messing with his electronic materials that you see me picking up in the middle of the table. I guess I can't complain about the mess because it keeps us busy, and it always gives me something to do and keeps me busy.
This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Remember when we thought that we were better than all?
Oh yeah, update on this furniture table set. As most of you know, I've been wanting to completely change this table around for quite some time now. The color and the design. Make it a little more farmhouse and especially change the chairs. Well, I'm excited to say that I finally found the chairs that I want to set up with this table, which was the huge dilemma, by the way. They had to be a certain color, have a certain look, and be a tufted, cushioned seat. So I'm going to order those today, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks you'll be seeing them in here.
Shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Remember when we said we'd stay together? Now until forever and ever. Just us, just us, just us. Just us, just us. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us,
Y'all already know the situation on this area right here. Food pantry out of order. So this will be here for just a little bit longer, and hopefully by the end of this month you will never ever see this stuff on the floor again. You'll see it all organized and up on its beautiful shelves in the food pantry. However, let's change the subject and let me update you on our new floors. Yes, the floors. Well, our deadline was August 15th. Here we are on August 20th, and we haven't heard anything from the company we went with. So we gave them a call and asked them about our floor, which, by the way, Chris is not happy at this point because he had to call them. Already there's bad communication, especially when the original date of the 15th was given and no one decided to call us about this delay. Well, when Chris calls them yesterday on the 19th, he speaks to our salesman, and our salesman had said that the new ETA is August 24th. But get this, August 24th is the ETA for the supplier to receive our floors. Then once the supplier receives the floors, they'll then ship it out to our installer, and then as soon as they receive it, they'll give us a call. Can you believe this? Oh my gosh. So unfortunately, we're still waiting and nobody has our floors. So definitely it's frustrating because I am so ready to change these floors. I am so ready to show you guys the before and after. But we're still waiting, but we hope and pray to hear some good news on the 24th, and I will be sure to keep y'all updated as much as I can until we get these new floors in. Alright you guys, it looks like I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day of cleaning was just as productive as mine and you got a lot of your chores done today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos that I post, and then head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage. Give me a follow over there as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye you guys.